Hi everyone, welcome. In today's video I have Bluesound Pulse M and I'm going to show you how can you easily change room name. Let's get started. So first we have to open BlueOS app and now go to the settings. After that we have to go to the player and now as you can see there is an option called room name. We have to click on it and click on it twice. As you can see, we can modify it and for example type hard reset. For you it can be kitchen, living room or private room. That's it, hope it helps you. Like and subscribe and goodbye.